Hello and welcome to CommonSpeak. We teach you complex things in a simple way. Today we will show you how to make your own CommonSpeak demonstration video. CommonSpeak videos teach complex ideas to an audience in a simple way using a video demonstration. Step 1. The first thing you need is an idea for the concept you want to teach in your video. After you have your idea, you will want to create a storyboard. A storyboard is important for projects or videos and is used to plan out your project so you have a guide for you to follow. You will also want to create a script to follow so you know what you're going to say. Keep it simple, don't use big words that will make what you are explaining hard to understand. The dialogue for the video will be recorded using your script later while editing the video, not during filming. Step 2. Once you have your storyboard, it is now time to gather the items you will need for your video. The first thing you will need is a whiteboard, which will be the display surface to film your video on. Then, you will need to create your props, or the images and drawings you will move across the whiteboard to explain your concept. Use a computer to create and print out your images, and a pencil and paper to draw if needed. You may need a pair of scissors to cut out your props. Here are some of the props that we used for our video. A folder will be useful to organize your props while not filming. You can also draw directly on the whiteboard with a marker, for example, arrows to point something out. Of course, you will need your hands to move your props across the whiteboard and to point out important things. Most importantly, you will need a video camera to record your video and a tape to save your video onto. You may also want a tripod to keep your camera stable so that your video looks professional and does not shake. These items can be found in Mr. Walker's classroom, room 509. After you have filmed, you will need a computer to edit and produce your video. A video editing software, for example Adobe Premiere Pro, will be needed to edit your footage, import audio, and produce your video. An audio recording software such as Audacity and a microphone will be used to record the dialogue for your video. Step 3. Now it is time to start filming your video. Put a blank tape into your camera and set it onto the tripod. Point the camera at your display surface to create the stage where you will film your video. When you are ready to begin filming, turn your camera on and press the record button to begin filming your video, following your storyboard as a guide. Your script can also help guide you so you know where you are at while filming your video. Using your actions and props when filming your video will help to explain your idea, so move things around and use your hands to point things out. Remember to film a lot of video. You should film many different versions and styles of the same shot. With more film, you will be able to edit your video to the way you want it to look, and you will be more satisfied with the outcome. Step 4. After you feel that you have filmed enough video to explain your idea, it is now time to begin the editing process. Next, take your camera and hook it up to a computer using a USB camera cable. Open up Adobe Premiere Pro and import your video from the camera using File, Capture. Then, begin editing your footage. Edit out any extra footage that is not needed. Once you have your video edited, it is now time to record your dialogue. Open up Audacity and, with your microphone, begin recording your audio following your video. When you are finished, save your audio and import it into Adobe Premiere Pro. After you do any final editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, your video is now finished. Step 5. Now that you have finished editing your video, it is ready to be produced. Save your work, then go to File, Export to export your video. You are now ready to show your video to your audience. Good luck, and we hope you have enjoyed our video.